Welcome back, guys, to another video. I know I haven't posted for a while, but yes. Okay, just let's get into it. Today we're unboxing a GAN cube. I don't know what model is it. And then we're comparing it to other cubes. Okay, so let's unbox it. Hallelujah! This is my first magnetic cube, and actually an expensive cube. This is my other cubes, like this is $150. That's dollars. This is 30. Here, I think here's the cube stand in this box right here. Yeah, first. I like to do them. Okay, let's see. Here's the back, and here's the instructions. Let's look at them. Okay, we don't need them because I know how to solve the cube. So the bag is very nice, actually. I like it. Okay, now and here is the cube. I think this is a cube stand. Wait, when you put it like this, it looks like it's floating. My cube is floating. Okay, how do I open this?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Oh, like this. Oh. This is my cube. Let's control the magnets. Oh yeah, there are magnets. Like I said first, this is $150 and this is $30. This is heavier, but I have magnets. In this I don't have magnets, but I have one more cube, but it's the same, and that has magnets in. Let me bring it real quick. Okay, I actually brought some other cubes too, like the normal 2x2, and then this. This is the older one. This is why it looks a bit lighter. Anyways, this is then with magnets. It's so heavy. It's even heavier than the regular cube and 2x2. Anyways, let's do write algorithms with all of these. Starting with this. That is the 150 without magnets. $150 with magnets. The GAN cube. It turns so uncontrollably fast. The Rubik's 2x2, but 3x3. And I don't know if you can identify this logo. This 2x2. We're gonna do songs with all of these cubes. I don't have a normal timer, so you have to subscribe so I can buy myself a timer. Where am I gonna put these? Not the size. This is the $150 one without magnets. Where is my calculator? Here. Yes. Anyways, Oh yeah, I have to scramble it. I won't do the same scramble, so I have advantage with others. So everyone has a different scramble, so I don't have advantage with other cubes. This is the same one. I'm actually trash at solving Rubik's Cube. I mean, at least I can solve them. I am doing the almost CFOP method. That's not the CFOP method completely. It's kind of the CFOP beginner with the end of a beginner method. So, and now comes the beginner method. One minute and 2 seconds. Look, here's me. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Now with the magnets, I'm not feeling good with that because it's so heavy and turns like, you know what. And now again, I mess up like crazy with this. This is like the unlucky cube for me. Unlucky cube for me because I always mess up with this cube. I went to a competition with that and I got to last place. Not like the big competition, my school's competition. And then I got the last place with it. And then I borrowed a cube from another cuber. And then I got my personal best with that. It looks like the same solve, but I guess it's not. One minute and 5 seconds. Trash. Anyways, now the GAN cube. I will make my personal best with that. Definitely. Because it is magnetized. Oh yeah, the other cube that I borrowed, this was also magnetized, but like the magnets were stronger and the cube was worse. I don't remember what company was that, but for me it was trash. Okay, 2 big paws. I can't find any singular. The first time when I tried it, okay, it was today. When I tried it, I felt like I don't know what. I mean, it felt good. Okay, I won't make my personal best because I don't remember it. Oh. It was 55 seconds. It would have been 54, but yes, I got the. I won't throw that. I got the OLL and the PLL step. It would have been the best scramble for an actual cuber, but now come the bad cubes. Well, actually, maybe the good cubes. Okay. Now comes the Rubik's 3x3. It actually turns kind of the same as the magnetized 150 cube. Like, I say 150 for the price, not like the model is 150. It costs 150. It was my first speed cube. I learned how to solve the cube with the speed cube. The older one that wasn't magnetized, and then the magnetized cube popped up on the internet, and it was so cool. So, anyways, let's start the timer. Oh yeah, I forgot to say this is also the unluckiest cube that I have. I actually kind of like this cube. This is the OG one, but it turns trash. You have to say that. I have to admit that turns trash, but if you don't do as aggressive moves as you do on the speed cube, look, because it's made trash, you have to solve it trash. That's my theory of everything. Those look like geometry light. Those know it. Okay. $135. It's better than like my first Street Cubes beginner method. Here comes this. This is a new category. This is my only 2x2. This was 55. Battery ran out. I actually kinda hate 2x2s because Aaron is so good at these. I'm treasured in 3x3s, but they're like actually got difficult. So I don't know. I have never been in an actual competition. So if I did that wrong, I'm sorry for the WCA. I heard that from a CubeHead video, so you have to admit that this was kind of embarrassing. It's almost the same as the GAN cube 3x3 49 seconds. This one is 55, but it has like more combinations, like more. This is 3 billion, this is 41 quintillion. This is my favorite cube by now, because now I'm going to learn CFOP with this piece of paper. If you have a GAN cube, I don't understand when I first looked at it. I don't understand these things. My friend had it. What does these black lines in there do? Like, I tried to solve it, but I couldn't in my friend's house. And I don't know, let me know what do they mean. And subscribe so I could buy myself a timer